homeowners, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an important topic to discuss: how long do water heaters last? I'm your friendly golden rule plumber, Cooper Killian, and I'm here to give you all the info you need. You know, water heaters are like unsung heroes in your home. They work silently, providing us with warm and cozy showers, clean dishes, and more. But like everything in life, they have a limited lifespan, so let's dive right in. First up, a common question: can a hot water heater last 20 years? Well, yes, it's possible, but it's not the norm. Most water heaters typically last between 8 and 12 years. Now, how long yours lasts depends on a few factors. Maintenance is key. Regular maintenance, like flushing the tank, can really extend the lifespan of your water heater. At Golden Rule, we offer all of our Gold members free inspections. Also, water quality matters. If you've got a lot of hard water with lots of minerals, it can cause buildup and reduce your water heater's lifespan. Keep in mind, tankless water heaters tend to last longer than traditional tank style ones. Now here's the big question: how do I know when my hot water heater needs replacing? Well, there are some clear signs to watch out for. Inadequate hot water. If you're getting lukewarm or cold water when you went hot water, that's a red flag. Leaks or puddles. Any leaks or puddles around your water heater, don't ignore them. Unusual noises. Strange sounds like pops or bangs, time to investigate. Rust or corrosion. If you see rust or corrosion on the tank, it's time to take action. Higher energy bills. Notice your energy bill climbing for no reason? Your water heater might be to blame. So what about replacing a 15-year-old water heater? Well, even if it seems okay, it's wise to think about it. Older units become less energy efficient and more prone to problems. Investing in a newer, higher efficiency model can save you money in the long run. Lastly, how often should you replace your water heater? Here's the deal: start thinking about it when it gets close to the 8-year mark. This proactive approach can prevent sudden failures and costly repairs. So there you have it, your guide to water heater lifespans. If you're in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional plumber for an inspection. And as always, we're here to help. If you've got any questions or need assistance with your water heater, drop us a line in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips for your home. Until next time, stay warm and take care.